Hey everyone, I'm Sapna. Life without dreams is like birds without wings. We all have our extravagant dreams. But are we really working towards it? Are we passionately chasing our dreams? Are we persistently moving towards our goal? Let me tell you a story here. A story of a girl who had many problems but was determined to be successful.
At the age of 15, she left her house just with 300 rupees in her pocket, two pair of clothes and a pair of slippers. She was vagabond and destitute. She struggled for the initial few days and then found a dormitory to stay which charged her 20 rupees per night just to sleep. She had not even completed her schooling when she left her house, so she converted her day-to-day experiences into her education. She got a job as a doorstep sales girl selling knives, coasters, and other small merchandise. She faced rejection many times, but with each door that slammed on her face, she grew stronger. Her goalposts kept changing as she grew from earning one meal a day to 3 meals a day and then to a better job. She later got a job as a waitress. She took on all the opportunities that came her way and became independent financially within 3 years of time. She never gave up as she wanted to prove herself to the ones she had left behind. She met Amit Kala while working with the telecom sector and got married in 2004. She moved on to the world of fashion then. She was always passionate about it and became a makeup artist. Her friends encouraged her to take part in Gladrag's Mrs. India pageant, and she also became the finalist. Her zeal to be successful led her to launch her own jewelry brand, Rubin, first in Forum Mall in Bangalore and then in multiple cities in India.
This is Chinukala's journey from bankruptcy to becoming a successful entrepreneur, which imparts us with a very valuable lesson. Be consistent and persistent towards what you're really passionate about. Chase your dreams, don't give up. And if you are passionate about what your work is, you will definitely be motivated and have the willpower to work towards it. Don't forget, the most important is being persistent towards chasing your dreams and being successful.